handle. My name is Joe Fox at Easy. I have excited, when QUAVO dropped this bang. Yeah, the song called to Dub by Fun. Yeah, FT Takeoff, RIP Takeoff. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you how I made this beat with 2 hours. Almost 2 hours to make this beat. So I just use my time, to hear the song very good, and to drop this tutorial. So if you're new here, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This will be helpful. Also like this video, like and comment if you have something. So let's go and hear what I prepared for today. So this track is almost complicated, as you see in the song, but to me, I just see some things, especially just played in some tricks, in melodies and in drum patterns. So without wasting your time, let's go. Yeah, the first thing I play here, it is just this one. It's called Basic. I just play from side tracks. It sounds like, here's the sound. Okay, here's the sound. Yeah, so I just hear this song is played in B flat minor. Yeah, that is my first, I can say my chord. For that I play this one. Sorry, this one. Inside the same instrument, the same piece, but I just play longer, a little longer. Yeah. So as you see, the first one just short. I just play short. But in short, I just add my kick scratch. Yeah. I just hear when you hear it, like side chain effect on how they make this beat. It sound like this one, but adding kick scratch. So let's go to another. Also, this I just use kick scratch. And for that, I just play my bass. It's BOE bass from this stock sound. So I just play it as I hear. So it sounds like this one. So in this bass, I just add my favorite compressor. This one, favorite bass compressor. So come here to preset. I just selected the bass boost. I like this one. Yeah. So that is the bass. Yeah, just BOE bass, so you can copy it. After that, let's play my drum. Oh, also I just play this one. Yeah, I just play it. Yeah, something like that. But I noticed because I just make it as a just render it as audio clip, so I can show you in my beat arrangement later. So I just play. Let's go to my drums. So kick. This is my first drum. Also just play this one. Yeah. After that, just play my hi-hat. The first one, I just play this one. Yeah. I just play for the second also. That is the first, but the second is this one, my kick. I just use the same kick, but I just arrange it in different way. Yeah, after that hi-hat. After that I play this one clash. Yeah, my thing. So I just let's go to the arrangement. Here you can see different technique I use here. So the first one I just fade it. I just fade this one, sound like this one. So as I told you, I just make it high pitch, high octave. I can say high octave, 1 octave high. So that is why it sounds like this one. So on the second one, I just play this one. I call it for this. I just render this one. Let's show you. I just render this one on basic. Yeah, this one I just render it. Just render it like audio, but after I render it as audio, I just make this one here. This shape here, as you see, this shape. See, so it's something like this one. Simple like this one. That was few technique I just hear in the beat. So after that, I just consolidated this one. Yeah, after that, also consolidate this one. Hey yo, what's up? Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one. So I just arrange this my beat. So let's hear the first drum and the second one pattern. So what you notice is the first drum pattern sound like this one. Yeah, that was my first drum go. So the second one start here, sound like this one. Yeah, so when you see here in bass for the arrangement, just set it when it bounce like ding, ding, ding. It bounce like this type of bass here. This one. Yeah, So when I play my second drum groove, so it play with this part of the bass, so it sounds like this. Yeah, I hope guys you understand what I'm saying. So let's hear a little bit for what I have prepared for today. So guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. So also if you have a song that you need to be remake, so comment down and I will go through. So thank you, and here we go. Fox. hope guys you enjoyed the tutorial. So guys, so the final thing I just say in my drum bass, I just forget to tell you, I just add this one knob plugin, and it's my favorite preset is it trap drums. Yeah, so thank you for watching.